Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to advertise your Shopify store. But before getting started this video, don't forget to subscribe. Hold on 1 minute. So right now I'm going to share with you total 5 ways to advertise your Shopify store. The first way, optimize your website for search engines. If you're wondering how to promote your Shopify store, start by optimizing your store for search engines. When users want to find a relevant product, they search for it on search engines like Google. If you optimize your Shopify website to appear in these relevant searches, you can drive more qualified leads. Second way, use pay-per-click or PPC ads to reach more qualified leads. If you want to promote your Shopify store effectively, use pay-per-click or PPC advertising. PPC ads are paid advertisements that appear at the top of search results above organic listings. PPC ads help you earn more profit for your business. Third way, use email marketing to engage people close to conversion. If you want to know how to market your Shopify store, email marketing is another great option. Email marketing enables you to send tailored content to people you know are interested in your business. To start promoting your Shopify store through email, you need to have a list of subscribers. You can get subscribers by adding an email sign-up bar to the header or footer of your website. You could also use email sign-up pop-up to catch your audience attention. Third way, use social media ads to showcase your store. And the last way, create a referral marketing program. One of the easiest ways to promote your Shopify store is to use referral marketing. Referral marketing is when you rely on your current customers to refer their friends and family to your business. This marketing strategy is extremely effective because people trust recommendations for people they know. So here's some way to advertise your Shopify store.